on this planet. They are fast, strong, agile, and above all, they have sharp canine teeth and powerful paws that can kill any prey animal. This episode features the top 10 most powerful big cats in the world. So if you like watching big cats in action, then stay tuned, as these incredible moments are about to unfold. Number 10. Caracal. This medium-sized wildcat roams the savannas, deserts, and forests of much of Africa and parts of the Middle East. Caracals are supreme hunters. They have large pointy ears. Each ear has over 20 muscles that swivel around like satellite dishes to detect sounds of their prey. Their diet consists of rodent and small mammals. Yet above all, they are known as extraordinary bird hunters, capable of leaping 10 feet vertically, and snatch birds from midair with their thick hooked claws. Caracals are truly one of the most fascinating hunters on this planet. Number 9. Canadian Lynx. The Canada lynx is the second largest big cat in North America. It has superb eyesight and excellent hearing, yet surprisingly it is not a fast runner, so rather than chase its prey, it ambushes it instead. The lynx targets a mule deer. The deer is much larger and heavier than the lynx, yet the lynx is not deterred. It pounces on the deer, and grabs it by the throat with its powerful jaws. The deer tries to fight back. It shakes its head from side to side in an effort to throw off the lynx. But it is no match for this skilled hunter, and eventually it gives in to its fate. Number 8. Bobcat. Bobcats are elusive wildcats. They roam throughout much of North America, and adapt well to diverse habitats such as forests, swamps, deserts, and even suburban areas. Bobcats are fierce hunters. They typically hunt rabbits, birds, mice, squirrels, and other smaller game. Nevertheless, they are capable of killing prey much bigger than themselves. The bobcat attacks the unsuspecting goose. Canada geese are the largest geese in the world. They can weigh up to 20 pounds, more than double the size and weight of the bobcat. Yet this does not present a challenge for the cat. It locks its canine teeth on the bird, overpowers it, and ultimately secures an extra-size meal. Number 7. Puma. Pumas, also known as cougar and mountain lion, are found almost everywhere in North and South America. They are one of the most incredible predators in the Western Hemisphere. They have the largest legs out of all of the members of the feline family, which enables them reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, and leap up to 18 feet off the ground. This is important for hunting, especially since mountain lions rely on ambushing their prey for success. The puma pounces on the guanaco, tackles it to the ground, and quickly puts an end to the intense attack. Number 6. Snow leopard. The snow leopard is the top predator in the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. They are the most endangered big cat, with less than 10,000 individuals left in the wild. The snow leopard's main prey is blue sheep and barrel, which provide the snow leopard with enough food to last for about a week. When hunting, snow leopards are truly magnificent. They glide gracefully through the snow, and are capable of leaping up to 9 meters horizontally, 6 times their body length. The snow leopard grabs a sheep, this sinks in its sharp canine teeth, and puts a quick end to the chase. Number 5. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal in the world. They are capable of reaching speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. They typically feed on Thompson gazelle, which makes up more than 80% of their diet, though occasionally, they will hunt larger prey such as ostrich and wildebeest. Ostrich are not easy prey to hunt. They are the largest bird in the world. An adult ostrich can weigh 140 kilograms and can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Yet above all, they have 14-inch dagger-like claws that can inflict serious harm to the cheetah. The ostrich puts up a fight, but its efforts come up short, and subsequently falls prey to the cheetah. Number 4, Leopard. The leopard is a graceful and powerful big cat. It is widely distributed through Africa and Asia. They are fierce, fast and ferocious. And they are not picky eaters, which means, most animals are on the leopard's menu. Leopards are extremely powerful. They are capable of carrying prey 4 times their weight up a tree. They are also extraordinary hunters. They stalk their prey carefully and quietly, until they are 5 to 10 meters within range. Then, the leopard dashes forward and takes down its victim with a bite to the throat or neck. Pound per pound, leopards are the most dangerous big cat in the world. Number 3, Jaguar. The jaguar is the 3rd biggest cat in the world, and it is the largest cat in the Americas. They can grow up to 170 centimeters long, not including their impressive tails which can be up to 80 centimeters. Jaguars are extremely strong and powerful. In fact, they have the strongest bite of the cat kingdom, of around 1,500 pounds per inch too. A jaguar ambushes a stunned caiman, then sinks its teeth into the 8-foot reptile's head. The bite is so powerful, that it disables the crocodile instantly. It then drags it back across the water, and into the jungle, to finish it off. Number 2, Lions. Lions are the 2nd largest cat in the world. Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, except one small population that exists in India. Lions are the only cats that live in groups. A group, or pride, can contain up to 30 lions. Female lions are the main hunters, while the males guard the pride's territory and their young. Lions are big eaters. They can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in a single meal, around a quarter of their body weight. Therefore, in order to feed the entire pride, they must hunt large game, such as buffalo and giraffe. Number 1, Tiger. The tiger is the largest and most powerful big cat in the world. They can grow up to 12 feet long, and weigh about 300 kilograms. They have large canine teeth, with a bite force of 1,000 pounds per inch. Yet above all, they are equipped with huge paws, and sharp claws. That are capable of cracking a bull's skull with a single blow. No animal is safe when a tiger is on the hunt, including the 1,000-kilogram gaur. Overall, tiger are true beasts, and the #1 most powerful big cat in the world.